You like YouTube long form? Go for it. Fine. Affiliate marketing is the best way to start online.
We're gonna take on the world.
You set that up one time. All you really have to do is focus on content. And that's where, Jamar is extremely good at funnel building and email automation. I would say, one of the top 10% in the whole world. So he's a great person. If you ever have questions about that, you want to give our software a try. We have built our funnel building software and our email marketing software based around affiliates. So we created it for affiliates, by affiliates, because we think affiliate marketing is the future. But on top of funnel building, email marketing, you can become a content specialist. Like once you start your business, all it is about showing up and posting on one of your favorite social media platforms. So if you like YouTube long form, go for it. If you like TikTok, or you like 6 to 30 second videos, I think that's a great place to start, where you can just point at text. You can do a lot of different cool things. And these are a lot of things that we teach in our courses. So, as always, we're going to be sponsoring our own videos here. So if you want to get in, make sure that you get in our Facebook group. It's Digital Escape. And then also we have a 6-day escape plan where I think it's $6 right now. And we're revamping, the whole process a little bit. So it might be good for you to jump on this now, but it's over 10 videos breaking down over the shoulder, step by step. Jamar literally just opens up the entire playbook of how this all works and why it works and why it's not very risky to start compared to a lot of different side hustles. And inside of it, we talk a little bit about content, and content is kind of my forte. I love it. I love AI content, creating content with artificial intelligence, which I'm sure everyone has seen a lot of that on my videos. I love just creating short form content. I love doing content with Twitter posts in there. I love seeing how I can make the same message into how many different forms of content. That's pretty much an obsession I have for some reason. And so you can really learn these skills, and then you become extremely profitable, not for just your own business, but for any business. You do this for a year, get some results for yourself, and maybe help someone else for free, get their results, and all of a sudden you can reach out to businesses and you can say, hey, I got this result for this person. I'm an expert in lead generation. I can create content for your business, short form. I know how to post. I know how to set up a funnel. This is what I'm worth. And a lot of people, 90% of people will probably say no, but what if you get 2 or 3 clients just like me, and you're making $4,500, $5,000, $6,000 a month just from those clients, not including all of your affiliate marketing stuff. So keep these in mind. Affiliate marketing is the best way to start online because you learn so many skills. I don't care who you are. If you say drop shipping, whatever, I disagree with you. I don't think that it's correct. The profit margins suck. A lot of times you're dealing with all these crappy vendors and stuff. Affiliate marketing is so easy to set up, so easy to start. You really don't even need a funnel to start because you could just put your link in there. It just won't look good. But if you want to do that, if you have $0, then go for it, or get your 14-day trial with our software and try to earn some money at first. A really cool way that you can actually start affiliate marketing is partnering with us and promoting our software and our trainings. While you earn, you can learn. That's the coolest thing too. Like when I first started, I was making thousands of dollars from just promoting education products. And, you just got to find one that you actually believe in. Every single thing that we ever talk about on here, Jamar and I, we want to ethically be sound and make sure that you can promote anything you want. We would love for you to promote the things that we do because we believe in them, but you don't have to. There's tons of niches like golfing, like beauty, and we're going to go into all of those. And, Jamar will be here in the future, and we're going to discuss back and forth, like, do we think that this is a good business for affiliate marketing? Okay. So, a lot of cool things. If I was to do golfing niche myself, I would try to this is what I would do myself. I would do my own business for a year. I would buy a domain, like I would research a name. I would get my funnel going, one funnel to that product. I would make a 10 to 20 email sequence that's automatically going 24/7, and I'd create 2 to 3 pieces of content on TikTok and Instagram every single day. I'd do that for a year, get 10, 20, 30, 40,000 followers. I'd start making money. And then I can reach out to any kind of golf company that I want and say, hey, I can manage your companies for you. I can create content for you. Where's your social media presence? Really, if you don't have a social media presence in this time and age, it's kind of like you don't exist almost in a weird way. And I don't say that lightly. It's just kind of the sad reality, but it's also an amazing time for us to take advantage of. So hopefully this was insightful for you. Like I said, I love affiliate marketing. I think there's so many niches that we can break down, and these are things that we're going to be adding to our curriculum. We have funnels we have over 180 something funnels ready for you guys to go so that you can get started. We have email swipes. So really, we just are trying to provide the very best environment for you to succeed. So if you have questions, join our Facebook group, get some free information. Like, we're here for you. We want to be someone that you can actually count on and trust in a world, that's full of slimy and weird stuff. Because remember, on my Instagram, I have 60,000 followers. Then there's not a day that goes by that 5 or 6 people tell me, hey, are you messaging me about stocks and trading? And I said, no, these are just scammers. Watch out, please. Because they leverage my name. They leverage my credibility. They start reaching out to people. So know that Jamar and I will never cold contact you. Most likely we'll probably never follow you unless you contact us. And that's called content marketing, or where people come to you. And so please be careful on the internet. Like, find someone that you actually trust. Don't fall down these ginormous crypto. If that's what you want to do, fine. But find someone that you can truly trust, that's not going to just scam you, take off with your money, and say, hey, you need to purchase this for $6,000. Otherwise, you can't even start. That's all BS. You can start for free. You can, invest $10, $15 to learn some great information. And the only reason why a lot of people even purchase courses, like I purchased a lot of courses, is because it's all organized, right? It's all kind of put together and collected for you. Whereas you can learn a lot of these things on the internet, just on my YouTube channel and tutorials. You totally can, and there's nothing wrong with that if you're just broke and poor. And but then you're scavenging around, and kind of what I like to call shiny object syndrome is when you're starting to, because YouTube is smart, and that's pretty much where a lot of people learn from, right? If you start learning about affiliate marketing and they're like, oh, you're starting to understand this, they're going to start sending you stuff about drop shipping and about trading and stocks and crypto, because they want you to stay on the platform trying to learn, because that's how they make money. So, and I've been there. Years and years, I would come home after my 9 to 5 when I was just miserable, and I would just sit on my computer, never take action. I'd be the biggest consumer in the world of information, and I would really want to start, but I was scared to start. I was scared of failing, and I was also scared of succeeding, because what does that mean? What happens if I do succeed? What's going to happen? So have the right mindset with this stuff, guys. If you have questions, let us know. If you have niche questions, let us know. If you want more information about funnels, let us know. We want to create content for you guys. We know what we know because we've learned it all in the past, and every single freaking day, Jamar and I are still learning. It's not like you just are 100% know everything right away. Every day, the online world is changing, and that's why you need to get with it now. Okay? So make sure, if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe. I want you guys here. I want you guys to be a part of our journey, and we want to help you on your journey. If you're listening to this on podcasts or you're watching on Facebook, let us know your thoughts. Did you like this segment? Did you like us breaking down a niche? What would you like to see from us in the future? These are all things that mean a lot to us, and there's what we do, but that's why we want it's actually catered for you, and so that we can actually help you and provide you value. And to be honest, and this is just the ethics side of me, we want you guys to become our customers. We want to earn your business and provide you with results, and so that you can get that time freedom. You can start doing something you're actually passionate about instead of maybe a job that you hate. That's happened to me before. So this life is too short to not, really try to go for what you want. So if having an online business is what you want, we are here for that. If not, then just keep doing whatever you're doing. Like, I don't think 9 to 5s are the devil, like some people come off as. I think like my wife has a 9 to 5, a lot of people do. My dad does, and it's totally fine. It's just not for everyone. Ever since I've been young, I've always wanted to have a little bit more freedom. I don't always like being told what to do 24/7. And I work 100 times harder if something is my own than if it's someone else's and I'm just helping them. So let us know if you relate to that at all. I know not everyone is like that, and that's fine. But if you are, like, you're in the right spot. So hopefully you guys have a good day. We'll talk soon, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this. So we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Drop it.
Report to the dance floor. The bad girls and man whores. There's a feeling in the club, and it's going airborne. Phil Collins.